Everyone, this is Sarah Daniel, Director of Leadership Development with Imagine International. I am so excited that all of you have made the decision to become a part of the Imagine vision and take the company nationwide. Now that you have, I really want to share with you what I believe is the key element that will help you become successful and really help you to understand what it's going to take to grow a massive organization within a 90-day period. First of all, write this down. Success is a mindset. Your mind does not know the difference between what is real and what isn't. It only knows what you focus on, and then it goes to work to create it. Your mind does not know that you are not already successful with Imagine International. It only knows what you tell it, and then it's like magic. It goes to work to create it. Your subconscious mind is designed to be your obedient servant. It will do whatever you tell it. So if you're telling yourself that you can't and you can't find the right people to become a part of your organization and you can't do this and you can't do that, I guarantee you, you won't. But if you tell your mind, if you tell yourself every day, I'm going to grow my organization within the Presidential Founders Program within 90 days, and I will be earning $10,000 a month residual income in 90 days. I guarantee you, heaven and earth will show up to support that vision, and all the details will fall into place. It works like magic. Trust me, it does. So what I want you to do, number one, visualize whatever is your goal. Whatever you desire, visualize it. If it's $10,000 a month residual income, write that down. Visualize it. See yourself depositing a $10,000 check in your account every month for life after 90 days. Visualize yourself on stage, training and teaching and empowering other people to become a part of this Imagine vision as one of our core leadership team. That is who you are now. It has to be who you see yourself as in order for you to grow your organization. Second, I want you to verbalize whatever is your goal. Tell everyone that you come in contact with that you are now in partnership with the founders of Imagine International to take the company nationwide, and you are looking actively for leaders to show up in your organization to take it nationwide. Have a conversation that will empower you to grow, to move, to talk to that doctor, the attorney, the engineer. You never know. Never prejudge what anyone will or will not do. So we have our first step. It's a mindset. Visualize it, see it, own it, verbalize it, talk about it with every person that you know. I mean, speak about it so much that people around you will be able to speak your vision for you and on your behalf, even when you're not around. Speak about your vision enough to where they get sick of you. They don't want to hear about your vision anymore. That's how much you want to talk about it. Tell people that you're going to be the #1 organization in all of Imagine International. Tell people that you are growing your organization to 3,000 strong in 365 days. Speak it into existence. Third, internalize it. Know what it's going to feel like to have that accomplishment. Know what it's going to feel like to go to the home of the person that says you cannot do it and that would not support your vision. What is it going to be like to go to them and show them your pay stub for $10,000 when you hit that in a 90-day period, that's the kind of stuff that you have to get excited about. You have to be passionate about what is your vision in order to get to the desired result. Remember that your life becomes what you language. Now that you are in a company that will afford you to earn $10,000 a month residual income within a 90-day period, speak powerfully about that. Speak that. I mean, all you have to do is tell people, I'm a part of a company that has given me the privilege to be on the ground floor. I'm in partnership with the founder. You know, we're taking it nationwide. I would love to talk with you about working with me in business. Visualize it, verbalize it, internalize it, feel it, own it, be a part of it, be it first, do it second, have it third. Go forth and multiply, have fun, be driven.